Good morning, friends. Welcome to the pre-market update from the advisory desk. Yesterday, the US markets ended on a flat note. After that, there was GDP data announced from the US economic front that came in at 1.9%, which was very low compared to the 2.2% that was previously estimated. So, one more negative data coming from the US. Even the payrolls data came in really low at 1,50,000. That was not up to the analysts' expectation or estimates. So first we had the Eurozone crisis, which after the Greece, now there is a Portugal and Spain which is showing signs of financial crisis. So that is one kind of negative drawback, that even the US is slipping down again from the growth zone to the back to the recession fears. So even the currency, coming back to the Indian market, the Indian currency ended at 56.08 yesterday. It almost touched the all-time high of 56.50 yesterday. Coming on to the FII figures, on the 30th 5/2012, FII has had a positive 87.4 crores of buying in cash market, whereas the mutual fund sold 122 crores. Yesterday, on the provisional figures front, FII sold 665 crores. Yesterday being the expiry, we saw almost 3-month high volume in the fusionist options settlement, and the Nifty expiry rollover was almost 58%. So there was a slight positive sign out here, because the rollover cost decreased a bit because of the rollover percentage. And mutual funds were also sellers to the tune of 266 crores. These are provisional figures, and the exact figures will be out tomorrow. Also today, Asian markets are trading mixed. Nikkei is almost flat, 8 points up, whereas Hang Seng is almost down about 10-20 odd points. Now China has released the manufacturing PMI index, which came in at 50.4. So this is a contraction instead of expansion, because it was 53.3 prior. So in April it came at 50.4, which is the lowest. Now China and US being the important two growth drivers of the world economy, they are showing signs of weakness. So this is another sign that even the Asia, the weakness and the economic crisis is following to the Asian continent because of the China data. On the European markets, FTSE closed 23 points up yesterday. DAX closed 16 points down. Right now SGX Nifty is trading 32 points down. On the government 10-year bond yield, it's almost at 8.38%, which is down 1.3%. So after the GDP data which was announced yesterday, which came in at 5.3, there is hope that RBI might reduce the repo rate or the CRR rate, because if they compromise on growth, this will be the time that India needs to shine and come back to the favor. Now on the technical update, I would like to invite Mr. Somil, which will take us to the technical check. Hi, good morning Somil. Let's take us to the technical check for the day.
Sure. Overall, the bias remains positive till the time we don't close below 4883. That's a very crucial level, which is a previous swing low. And also on the hourly charts, this is a flag pattern which we are looking. It's a bearish flag pattern, but we are still expecting the markets to retest the upper end of the channel, which will be around 5070 levels, and also the 40 daily moving average. So that's a very crucial level to watch out for, and that will be an opportunity to go short again on the markets. Overall, on the medium term, on the daily charts, we are expecting this higher end to be retested, which will be again the same level 5070, which is a very crucial level. The momentum indicators on the daily charts are still on the buy side, so still further bounce expected overall in next 1 or 2 weeks. But in the medium term, absolutely the strategy should be to sell on rise around 5050, 5070. Stock specific, I think Cipla looks extremely good to me from here. A small triangular pattern has formed on the daily charts. I'll be expecting this triangle to break on the upside. The support would be around 303 and 295. Resistance would be 316 and 327. 327 would be a target, a very short term target. The second call would be HUL. HUL has been trading in this channel. I've been showing this since last 3-4 days, and it has taken support at the lower end of the channel and it's just started moving up again. The momentum indicators are still flat, but I'll be expecting it to give a buy signal as soon as it makes a new high. Overall, the bias remains positive on HUL. Support at 417 and 413. Resistance would be around 431 and 441. Thank you so much.
Okay friends, so that was the technical check on the market on the Nifty and the stocks that the sawmill likes. Furthermore, towards our market opening would be weaker because of the weak Asian indices. So there won't be much of early opening market action on the positive side. Maybe later half of the day there would be some buying if there is some good valuations, looks attractive, but the opening would be weaker. Friends, that's all we have from the pre-market. Thank you.